welcome to another video. I'm about to head out to the nail salon. My nails are overgrown and they need a fill-in, and this color has got to go. So we're gonna go do that. Have to hit Aldi later, I think. I don't know. I need some vegetables. I don't know. It's gonna be one of those hodgepodge videos where you don't know what you're gonna get until you watch the whole thing. So heading to the nail salon. We'll see you later. All right, well, through the magic of this, my nails are done, and I picked a really amazing color. I hope the camera does it justice. Look at this. Nope, it's not picking up great, but it's this plummy color, and it has glitter in it. A little tiny glitter. Let me see if I go in the sun. There you go. Oh my God, guys. You know me in purple. Purple and blue. So good. I love it. So in regards to diet, I'm doing amazing. I'm down almost 10 pounds. I'm almost at my goal. And I might want to do a little bit more after so I can have some play because summer's coming. I have a vacation coming up in August. We're going to the beach house that we have down in Long Beach Island. So I'm excited. What else is going on? There's so much going on that I can't tell you yet, but will be very soon. Some really good things, and I'm loving life right now. I'm feeling good. I'm getting like that extra weight off, and I just feel good. And one of the things that has been helping me so much, guys, is the life book. If you don't have one, gosh, go on Amazon, go on Optavia, however you have to get it, borrow it from a friend. Please read the life book. It's just that powerful. It's making everything that I know come together, and it's like, I feel like that Dr. A, the guy who wrote the book, I feel like he just is diving into my soul and understanding where I've been with the cyclical diet. So I don't know. It's just really, really, really making a difference. All right, let me get out of here, and instead of just rambling on, I'm gonna go home and make a protein shake. I think I'm gonna do the mocha shake today. So let's go home and do that. See you over there. Mocha blast shake. So good. Just water and ice. That is how you succeed. I've said it a million times, guys. If you want to lose weight on the program, the plan is written. Just follow it the way it's supposed to. Follow it. Don't hack it. Just eat it the way it is. The weight will come off. How come none of us realize that? Or I should say we do know it, but we try because we get bored and all these other things. But I just feel like that's what's working. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. I hope you try a day without hacks. Just try it. Try it one day, and I bet you'll notice a difference. And then you do 2 days and 3 days and 4 days. The next thing you know, a week has gone by and the scale has gone down. Give it a try. All right, we're gonna head out. Bring you with me. See you in a little bit. And don't think you can sit inside and just suck down a shake. I can't do it. So I'm bringing it with me in the truck. And I want to show you, oh my God, the shoulder. I hurt my shoulder. Hold that, please. You guys, you know what happened to me when I was feverish from the vaccine? My fever broke. I got sweaty. I went into the bathroom. I stood up, and I felt like my blood pressure just went, and I fell. And my arm went into the tub, and I was hanging outside of the tub. And if I told you this story, I'm sorry. But I literally can't. And it has nothing to do with the shot. The delt is fine. It's like right in here. Oh, freaking hurts. So I'm having a hard time maneuvering around. Anyway, Brittany's being my helper. Thank God for Brittany, I swear. All right, we're off. Gonna grab some shrimp for dinner. We are heading out for a walk. It is gorgeous here today. Right now it is in the 70s. Sun is out, getting some fresh air. All the leaves in the trees are out. Oh, it's so nice. So nice. Make sure you get some activity throughout your day. I know you guys already know this, but it's super important. Set a goal for yourself, even if it's 10 minutes. Just go for a walk, whether it be outside, inside, or upside down. So there's a little stream with some rocks, and we are going to attempt to walk across. Come on, Paisley. Let's see if Molly can do it. I'm sure she can. I just don't want to fall in it. Girls, don't pull me, okay? Stupid me wearing my nice white sneakers. Oh, Molly, are you going swimming? All right, let's try to walk across. Come on. Oh, boy. Guys. Oh, I'm twisted. Okay, wait. Oh, my goodness. You guys, if you could only see me now. Okay. We're going to attempt it. We're going to attempt. I wonder if kids put these rocks like this. Nah, it doesn't look like kids did it. But some of these, whoa, definitely don't. Wait, girl. Hold on. Oh, my God. All right. They're way ahead. I'm doing it, guys. Holy smokes. Oh, my gosh. Go ahead, Paisley. Can you get up there, sweet pea? Go ahead. Up. Go ahead. Good girl. All right. Now, how the hell am I didn't do this? Oh, God, guys. Here we go. Okay. Yes. Accomplished. Conquered it. There it is. My nice white sneakers did not get destroyed. That's a first. Hey, it looks like they cut some bushes down over here. Interesting. Wonder when that happened. All right. So, as you saw, we got some shrimp for dinner. Don't know what kind of veggie I'm gonna make. Maybe a salad tonight with some lettuce and cucumbers. I don't know, but that's kind of how I'm feeling. And like I said, it's really hot today. I got the air conditioning on in the house, and you know, when that kind of weather hits me, I'm not like in the mood for heavy food. So I guess that's kind of good. Hey girls, let's go this way. To eat light when it's hot out. That's what I like. And I might eat the shrimp cold because it's already cooked. So I just might kind of make like a shrimp salad. Maybe throw some avocado on top. Oh yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. Squeeze a little lime juice. What do you guys think? They're just too busy eating grass. All right, come on guys, no eating grass. I don't know if they spray back here. There's so many little bunnies out too. It's so cute. We have a whole family of them living in our yard, in our bushes. Look at the sky. It's so nice today. All right, I'm gonna see when we get back home. I wanna put my phone down and keep these girls leashed the way they should be, because I am alpha. I am alpha dog, alpha mom. That's me. See you back at the house. Just made my lean and green. This is 7 ounces of the shrimp that we bought earlier, 1.5 ounces of fresh avocado, and I have 2 servings of shredded lettuce. I did use a tablespoon of Walden Farms sugar-free French dressing on top, and that's lean and green. So I'm hungry. It's the middle of the day right now, and it's perfect. I love having lean and green in the middle of the day because I feel like you wake up, you eat your fuelings, you have your big meal, then you eat your fuelings, and then you're good. You're not laying in bed with a full stomach. So I much prefer to do it this way. So that's lean and green. See you guys in a little while. Well, as the day has gone on, I can tell you that my arm is just getting more and more painful right here. And I hope I don't have a rotator cuff injury. All I can tell you is the pain is getting worse and worse and worse. And I might investigate myself going in for some kind of test tonight because I can't stand it anymore. It's like, you know how like a toothache just drives you crazy? Guys, this sucks. I literally can't move my arm in any direction away from this body of mine. It hurts so bad. And I'm so good with pain. I am so good with pain. My threshold is high. This is bad. And I'm nervous now because, you know, I don't like to be a patient. But I have a feeling that it's something, clearly. It's radiating down my arm, and I know that there's a nerve being pressed. Whoa. All right, well, I'll keep you updated. Save me, guys, save me. Okay, so update on the shoulder. Jess used to work at a radiology group, and they have no openings for MRI tonight. I'm not going to the ER. I just don't feel like it to be an all-night thing, and I think my best bet is to go see an orthopedic doctor, sports medicine. So I'm gonna call tomorrow morning to one that I know and see if I could get in there. But yeah, so I'm gonna hold off and suffer through it, because I just kind of just don't feel like going to the ER, exposing myself and all of that. So let's see how I am tomorrow, but that's that's the scoop. I'm one stubborn bitch, man. I am one stubborn person. All right, I'm gonna go in and have my next fueling. This will be number 5. I know I didn't show you half the day, only showed you shake and lean and green, but I had a brownie before, and so now I'm gonna go have fueling number 5. Again, staying focused. Yeah, this is gonna be an interesting night, trying to take off my bra and all of that other stuff, because I can't move this arm. It's so weird. This morning I was able to move it slightly. It hurt, but right now it's just, anyway. All right, so I'll see you guys inside. Icing the shoulder. Mama. All right, well, I came to the hospital. I had some x-rays done and was examined by the doctor, and now I'm just waiting, and it hurts so bad, guys. Oh my God. Whew. I don't know. Wish me luck. I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so the x-ray report says that it is not broken, but the pain is like unbearable, and I'm going to be taking some medication, and they're going to be wrapping up the arm. And in about a day or two, I have to go see an orthopedist, and we'll go from there. Oh, boy. God help me, Jesus.